Hey YouTubers, I'm Jacob. This is an installation video of the Worksport AL3 Pro hard folding tonneau cover. This is a flush mount aluminum tonneau cover, and it has a quick latch system that doesn't require any rails to install it. Super easy to install and remove for flexibility of use. I've included the links to the AL3 Pro in the description below, so make sure to click on those, check them out. All right, let's get into it. So once you have your cover unboxed and ready to install, the first thing we're going to do is install the rubber wear strip up towards the cab of the truck. And that'll help level it out and flush it up along the front of the bed here up against the cab. This will help level it out with the plastic trim side rails. So it's nice flush surface for that bulb gasket to seal against. Now, I've already have mine installed for my SC4 Pro, so I'm going to save this one. So if you're upgrading from the SC4 Pro to the AL3 Pro, then you don't need to apply a new gasket as long as it's in good shape. Close the tailgate and measure from the edge of the tailgate back 7 3/4, and I'm just marking it with some tape here. When you do this, you want to make sure you're clamping onto the metal rail too, not just the plastic. That's where you're going to get your strength for anchoring.
Make sure the thicker end of the clamp is under the bed rail.
Okay, now that we have our latches at the back secure, our weather stripping is on, it's now time to install the hard cover. And you want to make sure you have the buckles facing the cab when you place it on there. Helps to have 2 people. I'm going to do this by myself today. It's really not that heavy of a cover. It's pretty lightweight aluminum. So I'm going to make sure I place it on there evenly, close the tailgate, flip it back towards the back, make sure everything is aligned. And if it is, carefully fold it back closed. And then we'll put the latches on that clamp it down up at the front of the cab. So let's go ahead and throw the cover on. All right, so it looks pretty good. I'm gonna have to adjust some of the clips, but I think it's lined up here. So I'm gonna flip this back up to the cab, get the alignment pins in and clamp it down at the front. I've gone ahead and measured 1/2 inch in. I'll have it up like this. There we go.
Go in this slot right here. And you can slide them down. Clamp them around that metal edge of the rail. And just hand tighten the knob down. Wow, it is solid. Cover's not going anywhere. So you want it to strike like right in the middle there so it can latch easily. One is good. This one needs to be adjusted in a little bit. Also, these tabs need to be pulled down so that they hold this tight. One actually probably needs to be adjusted out a little bit. So it's worn over about a week or 2. Looks like it's almost shifted. So I just need to extend the latch on that side. Thank you for watching my install video on the Worksport AL3 Pro hard fold tonneau cover. This is a flush aluminum tonneau cover, and I will say this is a big upgrade from the Worksport SC4 Pro vinyl folding tonneau cover. A little added security with the hard cover here. I've included a link for it in the description below, so make sure to click on that and check it out. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for a follow-up review on the Worksport AL3 Pro tonneau cover. Thanks for watching.